Next practical, we are going to do the cheek cell. For that, we need mainly the toothpick for taking out the cheek cell, blotting paper, then the cover slip, dropper, glycerin, methylene blue, and needles also needed for putting the cover slip. Okay children, now let us start the practicals. Okay children, now let us start the cheek cell. For that, take out the toothpick with the help of toothpick. So you have to take out the cheek cell. Okay, and you keep that upon the slide. You must have got some cheek cells. Okay, spread it out. So I have spread the cells what I got from the toothpick. Then dispose the toothpick properly. Now let it dry, because the cells, no, they are small, they are not visible for naked eye. So that's why there is a chance of falling. So that's why let it allow to dry for a few seconds. Okay, now the slide is dried. Now we have to add methylene blue. Now upon the slide, we are going to add few drops of methylene blue. Okay. Now I added, and slowly we can spread it out. The same toothpick you can use for spreading. You should not disturb the cells. Can you see how I am spreading without disturbing? Okay, the cells, no, they will get stained very fast. Now the excess stain can be drained out. I am draining out the excess stain with the help of water. Okay, don't touch the slide, because there is a chance of cells being washed out. With the help of blotting paper, we can wipe the water. Sometimes without putting cover slip also we can wash. So if you want to keep the slide for a few more minutes without drying of the cheek cell, you have to put the cover slip. Otherwise, no, all the cells, they will dry out. You can add few drops of glycerin. And we can put the cover slip. You know how to put the cover slip? For that, you have to hold between your index finger and thumb finger. Okay. And with the help of needle, slowly you have to drop out. There should not be any air bubble. Now the excess glycerin seam, no, it can be absorbed with the help of blotting paper. Excess glycerin, it is being absorbed. Now the slide, it has to be clean without any trace of glycerin. It has to be cleaned properly. Use the blotting paper or a clean cotton cloth can be used for this purpose, for cleaning. The slide should be dry while kept under microscope. You see how I am keeping under microscope. So you have to take out the clips. You adjust the mirror, and later you can secure the clips. Then you can watch under microscope. While focusing, so you have to adjust the coarse adjustment, because we focused under low power, then it can be observed with the help of your eyes. Now I am showing you how does it look like. Hope you can watch, children. That is the cheek cell seen under the microscope. Is it clear? In the center the cells are there. Only one cell, you can observe that in the center. Hope, children, you can watch the cheek cell in the center through microscope. From our lab you are watching, from the experiment what we have done. So the cheek cell, no, it is focused under microscope. We can see the cell membrane, the nucleus in the center. Okay, so hope you must have understood how to do the practicals. When you come to the lab, you can do the practicals and you can take out the cheek cell. Thank you.